means that the Cebu Provincial Government is not alone in its earnest desire to serve the Cebuano people and make their lives better. Without you, there's not much that we can do. Programs like these do not happen through the efforts of one institution alone. They require exactly the kind of coordination and shared accountability we are formalizing today. We are therefore grateful to everyone who made this possible. Our national government partners, Secretary Vince Dizon, of course, our beloved President Bongo Marcos, for their commitment to reforms, our local government units for their cooperation on the ground, the mayors, and our transport stakeholders who continue to serve the Cebuano people every day. What brings us together today is actually very simple and straightforward. Every Cebuano commuters deserves better. They deserve transportation that is safe and reliable, with their daily commute being a pleasant experience and not an agony they must suffer each day. And this agreement is our formal commitment towards making that a reality. Through this partnership between the national government, the province of Cebu, and our local stakeholders, we take a unified step towards more efficient and accessible transport services across Metro Cebu and later on the entire province. To the people of Cebu, this program is for you, and this is just the beginning. This signing marks not just an agreement on paper, but the beginning of real, felt change on how we move through our province. From our 2 pilot routes, we will expand further with the main objective in mind, to provide every Cebuanos nindot nga biyahe, dali o komportable. And this is what Tabang Pangbyahe is all about. From technical preparation with the help from our partners, Commuters for Change, November of last year, to series of meeting coordination with DOTR early this year, and its confirmation of support last March, we are now at this point where we came into fruition and realized the implementation of the program. I would also like to thank Mr. Eli Sabinay for all the effort you put through in this project, for spearheading this project. In less than 8 months, the Cebu provincial government will be the first local government unit of the country that will implement its own public transportation net service contracting program, streamlining change in the sphere of transportation and mobility. From its current set up from boundary-based, which is very profit-focused, to performance-based, ensuring that mobility centers on peoples and not on vehicle. This administration recognizes that this is something new and may require a lot of development and improvement as we go along. But trust me, we will evolve and we will be better. Allow me to once again express my sincerest thank you to all of you here, especially DOTR and LTFRB for helping the Cebu Provincial Government in making this program possible. Thank you and God bless us all.